channel. My name's Chayla. For those of you who are new, it would mean so much to me if you guys would press the subscribe button, join the fun, join the fam, all things like that. And for today's video, I'm actually really excited about this video. I'm going to be testing out some coffee. If you guys know me, you guys know I like coffee. And if you guys also know me, you guys would know I do not like hot coffee. I think hot coffee is literally like disgusting. Like very disgusting. I don't like hot things. So I got this new gift. My mom actually surprised it with me this morning and I'm so excited. I was looking at it at Target the other day and I was like, I really want it for Christmas. It's really cheap. It's only $30. I used to have a Keurig because I tried to force myself to like hot coffee and it failed miserably, so I wasted a Keurig. So I got an iced coffee maker. I'm so excited to use it. I'm going to be testing it out for you guys. I'm going to be going to the store later on today to find like some coffee stuff and just stuff. It gives me an excuse to go to Target. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So first I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. So this is the coffee maker that I got. It's just a Mr. Coffee iced coffee. And I also just looked this up and apparently it was a trend on TikTok. So maybe I'm just late to the trend, but I'm really excited for this. So we are going to open this bad boy up. So it just says refreshing iced coffee in minutes saves $800. Because we know I love my white chocolate mocha frappuccino from Starbucks and my caramel macchiatos so much. So I'm really excited for this. And it also comes with a tumbler. I love other cups, like cups and a coffee maker. We're winning. So we are going to open this up. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Oh, I am so pumped. Technical difficulties over here. Right when you open it up, we have some instructions that are in Spanish. Don't read Spanish, but whatever. Ooh, so it gives me some recipes. That's good. So good thing I opened this before I went to the store. Then it has a little manual. Let's see if I'll actually read the instructions. Probably not. But okay. I'm pumped. I got the cup. Here's my cup. I'll look at that in a little bit. So, oh my goodness, this is so small and compact. I'm living for this right now. I didn't want to just like rip the paper, but I guess we're going to. So this is just in gray. My mom didn't know what colors they came in, but why is it a little dirty? Okay. She's a little like not clean, but I don't know. I'll ask my mom about that. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe I'm just like really bougie and I thought it would have been cleaner. I don't know. We'll ask her. But this is just what it looks like. It is super cute. I'm excited. Doesn't have many buttons. I love stuff that doesn't have many buttons. So we are going to try to figure out what to do with this. So we're going to go to Target later on. And so this just has like some recipes of things that I can make. Ooh, a milk and cookies. It tells me like what type of syrup to get, how many like teaspoons and tablespoons and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to try this out. And I'm going to test, I cannot speak today. And I'm going to let you guys know how I like it. I'm so excited. Comes with a tumbler. Really cute. Oh, it even comes with a measuring. Oh, it comes with a measuring cup. Oh, you are winning. And this is like a pretty big cup. That's cool. Oh, and it comes with like the liter, so it tells you fill it up to this line with water, fill it up to that line with ice. That is really good. So we're going to test this out and I cannot wait. I'm pumped. Okay, so I just finished opening up the maker and I looked through the book just to figure out what type of recipe that I want to make. So now we are off to Target to get the ingredients and try this iced coffee. Oh, I cannot speak today. Oh my goodness. Try this iced coffee when I get home. Hope it's good. And yeah. So if you guys want to see what it came with, this is just it right here, and it just tells me all the ingredients and everything. So I think I want to try this one because that's what I get at other places. Okay, so while I'm extra yellow, especially, oh my goodness, I might have to like not film in here. Yeah, this, no. So, just got home from Walmart and both of these. So these are the two flavors that I picked up. I don't know how to say this brand, so Toriana, but I got the vanilla syrup, and then I got salted caramel. The only other one that they had was caramel, but it was sugar free, and I figured I'm not gonna like sugar free, so I had to get salted caramel. And yeah, so this are the two that I have, and I'm going to make these in a few minutes. Just got some Taco Bell, so I'm gonna eat that first, and then we're gonna have a coffee party with these. Okay, now cooking with Chayla can begin. Well, not really cooking, but I just filtered out the water on the coffee pot, so now we're going to get started. So the first thing that we're gonna do is fill this up. This is the tumbler that they gave us, and you're just gonna fill it up to the water line. So we're gonna do that first. It would help if I had the instructions of what to do. We're gonna, oh, what the heck am I doing? Yeah, now we're gonna pop the water into here. Next, we're gonna add the coffee. So this is the coffee that I have. I have decaf because I probably need decaf. And it actually came with little measuring scoops. So this is the amount of serving that you want to put in it. And then we just have the coffee filter. So we gonna do this. So I'm not gonna make it too full because I don't know if I'm gonna like this. So, well, it's a not really good size. Maybe I'm just gonna make it full. And we're going to pour it in there. You add ice, and you put ice all the way up to this line. So I'm gonna do that. So this actually might be a lot more ice because my ice is like very thick. And then I'm just gonna put it underneath and plug it up and go for it. So I wonder what that tastes like just to drink it. Those. They smell like caramel. Well, I don't know caramel. They smell. Bam, 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 bam. How many smell? Oh, don't worry. Ooh. Okay. Don't be scared. You put it up upside down. That goes on the bottom. That's okay. It tastes good. We did it. It probably doesn't need as much. I don't know which one. Caramel. You probably caramel. But that's it. Woo! Yeah, it's probably caramel, the one I don't need as much of. Okay, so coffee is made. Honestly, I think this coffee is really good. It's not that watery. The only thing that I would probably do differently is not add 4 pumps of caramel. Sorry, can I say that noise? But the recommendation said to have 2 pumps of vanilla, 2 pumps of vanilla, 4 pumps of caramel. I probably would not have done 4 pumps of caramel. It's either that or I probably wouldn't use that brand of syrup. So one of those, because it kind of tastes like perfume, but then again, McDonald's ones kind of taste like perfume, and I just like got used to it. But other than that, is really good. So yeah, I'd probably just change up the syrup and how much syrup I put in. But other than that, really good. 10 out of 10. Well, probably like an 8 out of 10. I could definitely start having this instead of going to get coffee. So that's tea. But it is really good. And if I can drink this and I don't even like coffee, I feel like anyone else can. So I definitely recommend trying out this. One of my new favorite addictions. Might have to have this every day before work, because I say it all the time at work that I wish I had some coffee. But I go to work at 7 in the morning, so I don't ever feel like going to get coffee because I already wake up at 5 o'clock. I don't want to wake up earlier to stop and get coffee. But really excited. Love it. Cheers. Hope you guys recommend. Well, I recommend you guys getting this coffee. And yeah, for the win. We love her. I should have put some whipped cream. That's what I think I'll do next time. I'll get whipped cream. Because I feel like that would make it even better. Oh, my stomach hurts. I wonder if it's because I drink coffee. Because if you guys remember college Chayla, every time I would get a caramel blast from the cafe, I'd always have my stomach hurting. I think it's because I drink really fast, which is probably why I need to start drinking hot coffee, because I won't drink it fast. But I don't know. That clearly must be my problem. I drink fast. Yeah, I don't know. But when I went to the store, we did not go to Target. I thought we were going to Target. We went to Walmart because I had to get some food for lunch, and Walmart is like cheaper than going to Target. So we went to Walmart, and when I was at Walmart, they literally changed the entire layout of the store. Like where coffee stuff was, it's like towards the back of the store now, and then jewelry is like shifted all the way over, and I'm like, is this the same Walmart that I go to every week? Like, it's a completely different Walmart now. Everything is rearranged. I feel like the workers probably don't even know where the stuff is. Like, everything is just like all over the place. And literally, I went there last week and it was not looking like that. So I don't understand. Maybe they were bored. Probably because I rearrange stuff when I'm bored too. So whatever. But really excited that the coffee turned out good. Like I said, just need to figure out the whole syrup situation. I don't know. I think I just need to change up like my combination, and then just don't put as much coffee in it and put more milk, because I didn't put as much milk as they told me to put in it, because I couldn't fit all that milk in that cup. So I might just like tweak it a little bit, but after I find a perfect recipe for myself, I will let you guys know, because I don't think I'm gonna use that recipe to a T anymore. But it was good. I drank literally more than half of it, so that's really good. I put the rest in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna drink the rest of it later. But I'm about to chill for the rest of the day. I was gonna work on my course, but I think I might do it tomorrow. I also need to do my hair, so I need to wash my hair in the morning. So might just have all that set to do tomorrow and edit later on today. It's almost like 5 o'clock right now. Probably not going out anymore today. I think I'm in to stay, if you ask me. I have nothing else to do. I was gonna no, I'm not gonna do that. Today's going to be a good night, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment. Why can I not speak today? Oh my goodness. Maybe I need to go back to school so I could like have better grammar. But comment down below what you guys think of today's video. I respond to almost all comments, so even if it's just like a simple hello, like comment it, I will be responding back to you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram over here at chalaperry, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye guys.